Okay, this is CPTR 1500, Introduction to Computers, Module 3, introducing Microsoft Word. This is the fourth assignment and the final assignment that is required for Module 3. I'm going to start by creating a blank document in Microsoft Word, and again we're using Microsoft 365. So this is offered through your through NTCC, and you can access this in your Gator Mail by clicking on the Windows button, and then it gives you access to several of the Microsoft applications. So I'm going to click on blank document. All right, this particular assignment is setting up tabs. Now, in using Microsoft 365, there's limited tabs that are offered. You don't have as many tabs as are offered in some of the other in the regular Microsoft Office Word. Okay, so I'm on the Home tab. I'm going to click on this More Formatting Options. And sorry, that's not where I want to be. It's this one over here where you have all the alignment, the more that ellipsis. Click on that, and then you get an option for line spacing, etc. But what we're looking for here is the paragraph options. And then when you open up the paragraph options, we're going to click on the tab stop options. So we are going to create 4 tabs, and I'm going to click add, and then it'll give you the option. And when I add, the position is 1 inch, a left tab, and it's not a leader tab, so just leave that blank and click add. We're going to add the second one. Well, for some reason, I don't know why that didn't. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't click OK. Okay, now the second tab, I want to create a tab at 2.5 inches from the left margin. This is going to be a center tab, and again, it's not a leader tab, so just leave that as none. Click OK. And I didn't want to do that because I wasn't finished. So let me go back to paragraph options, tab stop options. I want to add another one at 4.0 inches from the left margin, and I want to set a right tab. Again, leave the leader tab, leave that at none. Click add. I'm going to add another one at 5.5 inches from the left margin, and it will also be a right tab. And click leave this blank for the none. Okay, so we've got the 4 tabs. If you're using the regular Microsoft Office, they have a decimal tab which aligns. When you press tab, it's going to align any entries that you enter using the decimals. So the decimals would be lined up. Any numbers before the decimal or would go to in front of that. Any numbers after the decimal would appear after, so the decimal bit would be aligned. But that's not one of our options in Microsoft 365. So I'm going to click OK. Now I'm ready to enter the data. So you want to press tab first, because we're going to start the first entry at 1 inch. And you can see up here on this ruler, you have the left tab, the center tab, and then a right tab and a right tab. All right, so the information that I gave you on the assignment, it is listed in a table, but you're not creating a table. You're using tabs to complete this. All right, so after you enter that 4th column of information, just press enter, and then each time you're going to press tab between each of the entries, and you can see that it is aligning the aligning the text. This is aligning to the left, this is centering, this is aligning at the right, and this is also aligning at the right. I forgot my decimal. Sorry. An extra 2 there. And 2. Okay. I'm not used to Microsoft 365, and I forgot to tab here. Sorry about that. So make sure you tab before that first column of information. For some reason I'm getting extra, something's going on with my keyboard, I believe. Alright, I have the wrong measurement here. This is supposed to be 28.4 and this is 29. I have no idea why all these extra letters are appearing. I am not entering those, but for some reason we'll make it. Also, notice that now when I press enter, it is taking me to that first tab, so I'm assuming that it just recognized what I was beginning my text at the tab. So I haven't been having to tab before that first column of information. Alright, and this is the last line. Alright, now I'm also going to show you the leader tab, and I can't remember on the assignment if it's required, but I'm going to show this to you. So I'm going to go back to those tab options. So click on this ellipsis here on this ribbon and click paragraph options, tab stop options. All right, now I'm going to clear all because I'm going to set a new tab. So I'm going to click clear all, click OK. Now it still applies those tabs up here, but it's going to change the tabs, or I'm going to add some new tab settings. All right, so I'm just going to set one tab. I'm going to go back to the paragraph options, back to tab stop options, and I want to add a tab, and this time I'm going to do it at 1.5. Let's see. No, I'm going to do 0.5, the left tab, and leave this none. Alright, then I'm going to add a second one at 4.5, and then this time I'm going to make it a right tab, but I'm also going to use a leader, and I'm going to use the dotted. Alright, so I'm going to click OK. Alright, so I'm going to key let's see. It's on it is